Today I'm setting up these floor lamps that were kindly gifted to me by the brand to try out, and I can already tell that they're going to be such a fun and functional addition to our space. If you're looking for lighting that's both practical and customizable, these floor lamps definitely deliver. They come as a set of 2, and when you open the package, everything is neatly and securely wrapped. Each lamp comes with a lampshade, the base, the lampshade attachments, a 9-watt smart bulb, a remote, and the pole sections to the lamp. You won't need any extra tools, but you will need to get 4 AAA batteries for the remotes. The first step is unrolling the lampshade and attaching the top and bottom to the rings. They easily snap into place, and then you just Velcro the sides together and you're done with setting up the shade. Next up is screwing the poles together. There are 4 different sections and it's quick and easy to do. After that, you attach the poles to the base. It's weighted, which makes the lamp feel sturdy once it's standing. You just screw the pole directly into the base, and I just held the cord up while I did it so that it didn't get twisted up around the pole. Next, you attach the lampshade by unscrewing this top part and then placing the lampshade over the top of the frame and then screwing this back on. Then you screw in the included light bulb, you plug the lamp in, and you're ready to go. Pairing the remote to the lamp is very straightforward. You just hold the on button down, then you turn on the light while continuing to hold the on button for about 5 seconds until the light flashes, and then it's paired. I also love that there's a step button to turn the light on if I don't want to use the remote. You can go from warm, cozy lighting for relaxing in the evening to bright, cool light for reading or working. Everything is really easy to control with the remote. One of my favorite features is the RGB mode. There are tons of colors to choose from, and you can switch up the vibe depending on the mood or occasion. The built-in timer is another nice touch, especially for evenings when you don't want to think about turning the lights off. Design-wise, these lamps have a clean, modern look with a slim profile that fits nicely next to sofas, desks, or in corners without taking up much space. Whether you want soft ambient lighting or something more playful and colorful, these lamps make it easy to create the right atmosphere in any room, so I definitely recommend checking them out.